So basically, these are two original Nintendo DS's from 2004. They both have a couple of problems, so I'm going to try and put two of them together, probably with this red shell, and see if I can make one decent one out of it. This one, the hinge is in pretty good condition, by which I mean perfect condition. And the top screen is a little bit, you can see there's dots in it, dead pixels. The bottom screen works great, all the buttons work. On the bottom, it's pretty scratched up, and then there's also a cut there. So I'm gonna be getting rid of this shell and replacing it with this black one because this is in good condition. And all the ports work, everything works on this, buttons work. But the top screen, the top shell of the screen definitely has a lot of issues, and then the hinge is broken. So I'll probably transfer this top screen into this DS and then transfer the bottom shell onto this one. So let's just do that. Okay, let me tell you about some problem I had. So when I was unscrewing all the screws for the blue and black DS shell, basically all of them were stripped. And so this is basically how it ended up after trying to, screw it open. So there were a few methods I tried. Number one was putting glue on a screwdriver so I could kind of hold on to that instead of having to dig into the grooves. The next one I tried was just kind of prying the screw up. But after all was said and done, what worked really well and what I would definitely not recommend doing if you don't have any replacement screws was just taking a drill and taking an oversized bit and just completely shredding away the metal. So like the screw was just dust basically. But it ended up working. And since I was just replacing the shell and it only happened with like half of the screws, it ended up being fine. So, lesson learned, make sure you check to see if your screws are stripped. Back to the video. Alright, thanks guys for watching. This was a lot of fun. First original DS that I've ever actually touched and held. And actually the first DS shell swap that went according to plan. I mean, the first one I had ever done was a DSi, and that one has like ribbon cables going all over the back and stuff, and everything is just like so cramped up. As you can tell, this beast says no to cramped. So yeah, it was a lot of fun. I'll probably do more again. Watch out in the future because I did not replace the screen that will be a future video, so I don't want this to be totally in good condition. This one is gonna be the prize baby, but yeah. Until then, see ya.